Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for website. PPC is a powerful tool for aligning website traffic drivers to end goals. In the era of content marketing and thought leadership, PPC can foster the middle ground of nurturing and serving the middle of the funnel through advertising content downloads, seeking newsletter signups and contest entries, and pushing for app downloads. PPC can support many parts of the sales funnel and the path that your prospects take from awareness to becoming a customer. Dominate your digital marketing. We help to optimize and protect PPC campaigns, track calls, increase sales and profit, and improve customer retention. This is done also by offering clients attractive proposals that will assure them of full protection from click fraud, along with the highest level of tracking and monitoring tools. Who's clicking my ads? Competitors. It's a known strategy that competitors click on your paid ads so they will go offline. Click farms. Click farms are organizations that can produce thousands of clicks in minutes. Bots. Over 36% of web traffic is generated by automatic bots and scripts. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.